at this one. Now we just need one. Look at my ice cream, guys. Turning apple and grapes. So I'm not going to give you and some bread, guys. You're not going to have it anymore now. You're not going to be so hungry now. Sorry.
It's okay.
There is some ice cream, guys.
Yes, I want mango ice cream.
Alright, no problem.
Okay.
Hey. Sorry, no more ice cream.
No more ice cream?
Sorry. Big light, the big light.
Okay.
I think for you. Look my ice cream, guys.
Yeah, I can see.
Which color do you want?
Strawberry ice cream.
Alright, no problem. Hey, Roy.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye. See you again.